Okay, so I bought me a new door chime off of Amazon. The door chime that I had from ADT wasn't loud enough, and I need to find out how to make that louder. But I got me a new door chime. This thing plays like 57 different songs and sounds. It also plays Christmas songs and things like that. It plays The Little Mermaid, and it also plays a song from The Legend of Zelda. Dude, I am in fifth grade all over again. But I picked The Little Mermaid. Watch this. This is awesome. Every time you come through the door. I am going to be standing here, opening the door, closing the door, opening the door, closing the door, opening the door, closing the door. I am not kidding. Even if no one's coming in, I'm just going to be playing with the door. I am a grown woman with a toy.